Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again on my new video. Today I will show you how to make hot pistachio latte. So we need sauce pistachio, condensed milk for sweetness, fresh milk 1 cup and 1 scale. So let's start this video. So guys, first of all I will take 30 ml sauce pistachio into the cup. And then add only 5 ml condensed milk. Then espresso. So guys, I will add only 30 ml espresso. Bismillah. Only 30 ml, 10 to 29.6. So guys, after add espresso, mix pistachio condensed milk with espresso, mix well. This now mixing. Make it stream your milk fresh. So guys, this is hot pistachio latte. So let's taste. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow, so delicious. So guys, hope you like my video, and if you like my video, so please like and comment and share. And if you new here, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum. See you next video. Allah Hafiz. Assalam.